Hi everyone, I'm Stephanie Stoll. I'm one of your co-instructors for the upcoming Mongolia Earth Expedition. Welcome to the course. We're really looking forward to the journey ahead. Jill and I thought it would be great to share a little bit more detail about our accommodations while we're in country with you all. For the first half of the course, we're going to be staying in traditional gers, which are round canvas tents, also made with sheep's wool felt for warmth and insulation. We sleep directly on the floor in these gers at the first camp, and we'll typically have 1 or 2 layers of carpet on the ground. So if you're someone who would like a little bit more cushion, you might pack a small travel size sleeping pad. You might also want to bring a small travel size pillow. And I keep saying the word small because you want to find that balance between your comfort and what you think you're going to need and the size of your bag, because we do have minimal space for our luggage when we're traveling. Our bathrooms at the first camp are pretty rustic and basic, but all of our needs are met. We have 2 toilet tents, which are very basic pit toilets that are dug just for our use, and we have nice tents around each one for your privacy. We also have a shower tent, and we use a solar shower while we're there. So weather dependent, we will have warm showers available for folks. We also have 2 water stations, which are very simple, just cans of water that have a spigot so that you can brush your teeth. This is purified water, and our in-country partners will always make sure these stations are full with water and that soap will be provided, and that's where we'll brush our teeth and do light cleanup there. Let's see, before we move to the Hustai National Park, we spend 1 night in a tourist camp, which again are gers, but here we'll get to sleep on mattresses on formal frames. So that's kind of a nice thing for us after being at the ger camp for 4 days. And then we go into a remote camp in the national park for the last half of our trip, and there we'll be spread out between gers and cabins, both of which will have mattresses on bed frames, and linens will be provided for us there. And again, there we'll have basic outdoor shower facilities, as well as bathroom facilities, large pit toilets there as well. So nothing fancy, but you'll find that our needs are more than well taken care of by our in-country partners. We always have water available, great food, and you'll be very happy and will enjoy it. You'll also probably want to buy a ger to put up in your backyard when you get home. As far as transportation, we travel by van in Mongolia, and our vans will be probably 5 or 6 of us per van, depending on how much luggage we have and how that all works out. Some of the vans will be newer model vans, but some will be holdovers from the Russian occupation of Mongolia. You'll see a lot of old Russian era vans there from back in the 1960s, and our drivers are fantastic mechanics and have these things tuned perfectly, and they are extremely reliable and get us from point A to point B without problem. The road can be bumpy. Sometimes we have to face backwards depending on how the van is set up, but it's really fun, and we have a lot of good times getting to know one another and sharing stories during our van time. So I think that's it. I'm sure you have a lot more questions, and we'd be more than happy to answer those via Shoot the Breeze in our Mongolia workshop. Looking forward to seeing you all in Ulaanbaatar very, very, very soon. Just around the corner, our journey awaits. See you soon.